Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Shantina, and today I am going to be doing a video on collagen peptides. A couple of months ago I reviewed this Vital Protein collagen peptide and this collagen peptide that I always take. Towards the end of the video I'm going to let you know which one of these I like best, which one I'm going to continue to use, and I came across a new, well, it's not a new brand, but it's new to me. So I am going to order that, and I'll put it on the screen later on in the video to let you know which other collagen peptide I am about to start taking or review. And I'm taking this particular new one because it has a ingredient in it that these other two collagen peptides don't have. All right, so as you can see here, I don't know if you can see it, but I have a lot of questions. So we are going to just, and I'm not going to read them all because it's a lot. But I am going to go through here and answer the questions that pop up the most. So give me 1 second. I started from the beginning. So, and then I'm going to tell you which video the question came from. So just in case you want to go back and look at that video. And speaking of going back and looking at a video, if you do not know what collagen peptides are, I advise you to stop this video, do a little research, or you can go on my channel and I have like 7, maybe 8 videos about collagen peptides. If you go all the way back, about 4 years ago, I did a video, my first video on collagen peptides. And I believe it's called, like it's a game changer or something like that. So go ahead and look at that. And then as I'm going, you'll know what I'm talking about. All right, so on the video I did, my 1-year update of taking collagen peptides, the pros and the cons. The comment says, great info. Thank you for sharing. Can you please link the liquid vitamins that you are taking? The name of the liquid vitamin is called NutriBurst. I'll leave a picture of it right here. If I have a link for it, I'll go ahead and put it in the description box, or I'll just put the website of the company in which I get it from. So the second question is, and it's from the video that I just did called my 4-year update. So it says, is it true that you have to be healthy to take collagen peptides? I'm going to say that I'm in just regular health. I do have high blood pressure. I have acid reflux. What else do I have? I might have a little bit of a high cholesterol, but that's pretty much it. I don't have any like autoimmune deficiencies. If you have an autoimmune deficiency, I'm going to say do not take this product. You cannot take a lot of beef, and these products that I'm talking about are grass-fed beef. So if you're going to take it, they have some collagen peptide vegan. I don't know where they're getting it from because collagen is from animal, but they say they have vegan products also. So you want to go ahead and do a little research and maybe get a vegan form. But I'm going to say if you have an autoimmune deficiency, don't take this. If you have any type of ailments like cancer or anything like that, I'm going to say speak with your oncologist. But overall, I'm going to definitely say speak with your doctor before you take any of these products. Someone made a comment. They said this is on my 1-year update of taking collagen peptides, the pros and cons. If you're over 50, you need to take double the recommended dose because over 50 collagen stores are vastly depleted. I don't know how true that is. I have not heard that before, but I am not a dietitian or doctor or food nutrition or anything like that. But I've done a lot of research on collagen peptides, and I haven't heard anything like that. But it is worth taking a look because I am creeping up on 50. And if I have to double up on that thing, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So in my last video I did, I misspoke and I said that you needed 1 scoop of this vital protein, and it's equivalent this particular collagen peptide. So I misspoke. When I read further, it does say that it's 2 scoops in order to get the 20%, the 20 grams of collagen peptides. So you want to make sure that you're taking 2 if you want to get 20%, 20 grams. But for me, to be honest with you, I still just used 1 scoop, and not only was I saving money, but I was able to have it a longer time. So it's completely up to you, but I'll give you my review and let you know, did I see any difference in taking 1 scoop versus 2 scoops. So in my last video, the 4-year update, someone says, "Hi, I just wanted to say, besides drinking water and exercising and eating right, my question is, what were the names of the topical creams or lotions you put on that were collagen peptides?" I'll list some collagen peptide topical creams that you can use in the description box. So go to the description box to get your answer, because I didn't know that question was there. Honestly, it was the first time looking at it, but all my stuff is in the bathroom and I don't want to get up and go get it. So check my description box for that answer. Someone asked me, are these peptides fat soluble, or do you know? And honestly, I have not did the research on that. What I'm gonna do is do a little research on it, and I will put the answer in the description box. So someone made a statement, I thought it was funny. They said, and it's off of my video that I did, my 1-year update of taking collagen peptides, the pros and the cons. And this person responded, the pros and cons are nothing, because it doesn't do anything for you to begin with. I don't know which brand this particular person is taking. If you're watching, I don't know what brand you're taking, but for me, I'm gonna say over the last 4 or 5 years, I've had some good results taking them. I did have a setback of taking the collagen peptide when I stopped taking it for about 5 months. But it wasn't a huge setback. It didn't put me back to where I first started, but I did see that where I was progressively getting better, my skin looking better, hair is thicker, it kind of plateaued and stopped after about 2 or 3 months of not taking it. So there's, it's not necessarily a rebuttal, but I'm just giving you my experience with it. On my 4-year update, someone asks, can you share 1, how much vitamin C one should be taking, and 2, if there's one brand that you found is better than the other? How much vitamin C should you be taking? I'm going to say just the recommended dosage on the bottle is what you should be taking. And if there is one brand that you found better than the other, like I said earlier, I take a liquid vitamin and I use NutriBurst, and it has 100% vitamin C in that particular brand. Someone asked me, this is on my 1-year update, and they asked, can you tell with no ovaries and uterus, can we use collagen? Any side effects? I'm going to say you're going to have to reach out to your GYN to get that answer. I'm not a doctor, nutritionist, dietitian, and I don't want to try to tackle that question. So I'm going to say contact your medical doctor and find out if it's good for you. Someone said, I'm 19 and started taking it. Is it fine? a normal 19-year-old, healthy 19-year-old who is just regular active, you know, go to school, come home, maybe do little light workout, or is in some type of after school programs or in college or something like that, I'm going to say you don't have to take it, because you start losing collagen. You stop producing as much collagen as you are now, but you start losing that production by the time you are 25. And then from 25 on, it starts decreasing. But if you're active, like you're doing like weightlifting or just any strenuous activities on your joints, I'm going to say that, yeah, you can take it and you'll feel a difference. It will be very beneficial for you, because collagen peptides is really, really good for joint pain. Under that same video, someone asked, can anyone tell me if you stop taking collagen, will your nails start dying around your nail bed? So I stopped taking it for about 3 or 4 months, like I said earlier, and I did notice a difference in my nails, but the difference that I noticed in my nails is that they wasn't growing as much. I didn't notice any dryness around my nail bed or around the cuticle area. I'm going to say that didn't happen to me. I just noticed that my nails wasn't growing as fast as they do when I am taking it consistently. Someone made a comment, and I think it's a very good comment, and that's why I want to go ahead and read it. It said, it goes without saying, you stop taking it, you'll lose the effect. I don't understand why people think otherwise. It goes for anything. You stop eating right, you stop working out, you stop running, you stop, I'm not going to say that on YouTube, you stop anything. Whatever effects it had will stop. I agree. I experienced that with this product, and I'm going to say I 100% agree. But I understand why people ask, because, well, people don't know, and they don't know anything about the product. So, you know, I can understand why they're asking questions that pique their interest. So, and to answer the question that people were asking, yes, if you stop taking it, you will see not necessarily an incline, but a plateau. Someone asked, in my 1-year update, I tried protein powder, and it gave me severe stomach cramps. Would this type cause stomach cramps? I didn't have any stomach cramps, so the answer is no for me. Someone says, which type of collagen is best for knee joints? Type 1 and 3 or type 1, 2, and 3? And I'm going to say type 1 and 3 is really good for the joints, gut, nail, and hair, and skin. So what is the difference between the Vital Protein collagen peptide and the one that you're using? And this is coming off of the video, my 1-year update, which is this one. So really quick, which one is better? Price wise, this one is better because I got a lot more for less. They are both paleo keto friendly. You can use them both in tea and coffee. This one, I did not think it had a taste, but after taking this one for a couple of months and then going back to this, it has a different taste. This one, you can actually taste the difference. This one is a lighter taste, easier. It doesn't have a smell. This one has a slight smell, but actually this one doesn't bother me. Now, the answer to the question, which one is better? This one is more accessible. You can get this one anywhere. You can get this one at Sam's Club. You can get this one on their website. You can get it on Amazon. You can get this at Walmart. I believe you can get it at Target, if I'm not mistaken. This one, you can only get it either on their website or on Amazon. I'll put a link for both of them in the description box. But I'm going to say this one. I feel like it's only 1 gram less than this one. I'm getting the same results. This one tastes better. It smells better. Now this is a little bit cheaper. So this one is not bad, but this one here is the one that makes sense for me to continue to use this Vital Protein collagen peptides. So there is a new brand, well, new to me, that I am eager to try out. And the name of that brand is Garden of Life. I had about 15 or 20 people over the course of all of my videos that continue to say, try out the Garden of Life brand. This brand is different, okay, because right on the front of the container, it says collagen peptides plus probiotics. And if you are getting up in age, we all know, or if you have any gut issues, you should be taking probiotics. I currently take a separate probiotics, but going forward, once I receive, because I'm about to order that today, and once I receive it, and this is what it looks like right here. Once I receive it, I am going to take it for about 2 or 3 weeks, come back and do a review on that one and let you know how I like it. But already I'm feeling like I'm gonna like it because it has that probiotic in it, and I need a probiotic. You need a probiotic. If you want to see the review on the Garden of Life brand and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell so you can know when I upload that video. And so yeah, that's all I have today. I just wanted to go ahead and do the questions and give you an update on the Vital Protein versus the Search Research brand, and let you know that I am going on to another brand to see how it works and come back and let you know all about it. If you have any questions for me about anything that I said in this video, please leave it in the comment section. I will be sure to answer it for you as soon as I can. And always remember to stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.